Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking. Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today we're gonna make a very quick and easy chicken curry. Now if you guys watched my previous video on how to make some roti KIRAI or roti JALA as you name it, you can try it with this. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, slice up some shallots, cut up the potatoes and prepare your chicken. Get ready 1 lemongrass, and for this recipe we'll just be using instant curry paste. Now over a medium flame, we'll start adding in 2 tablespoons of oil together with the rest of our shallots and start tossing them around until it becomes slightly translucent. Now because this is a quick and easy recipe, so I'll be adding in some instant curry paste which you can purchase from any supermarket. I don't have any particular favorite brand, but you can use any sort of instant curry paste for this recipe. Fry the paste for a minute or 2 until it becomes slightly fragrant, and we start adding in our chicken into the mix. Let's just be sure the chicken is well coated and giving it a couple of tosses and letting it simmer for a minute or 2 before we start adding in our potatoes into the pot. Now at this point of time, let's just make sure the chicken as well as the potatoes are well coated evenly throughout and letting that simmer before we start adding in our bruised lemongrass. Just basically cut off the stalk of the lemongrass and lightly crushing it, and that's going to give out some citrus flavor into the curry. Now start adding in half a cup of hot water in there. As well as a 1/4 cup of coconut cream into the pot. Now just slowly adding it into the mixture while continuously and steadily stir the curry. And that's it, you guys, we're all done. Just lower the flame and simmer for at least 30 minutes just to ensure that the chicken as well as the potatoes are tender. So go ahead and serve it with some hot white rice or maybe some roti KIRAI if you like. If you guys want to know how to do so, I've got a video for that in my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Bye guys!